In this section, we will see about interpolation in Angular. Interpolation is used to insert the strings in the HTML elements. Interpolation uses double curly braces. With interpolation, you can embed the strings, expressions, or we can do simple manipulations. Let's see with an example. In this example, title is enclosed within double curly braces. While rendering the page, it will replace this expression with the real string which is defined in TypeScript file. Now we will see how an expression works in Angular. Let's add code for addition of two numbers. Here we go, double curly braces 1 plus 1. If save and run the file, the output will be 2, instead of 1 plus 1 as string. So whenever a number is provided with arithmetic operator, then it is considered as an expression. So the result will be calculation of those numbers. But please note that, we cannot do all computations. We cannot do few operations which are even though available in JavaScript. End of this tutorial, I will give you the list of expressions which are not possible as part of interpolations. Now we will see how to calculate the values in TypeScript files, and then just display the results here. Now we will remove the existing content from the HTML file, and we will add the function call. Let's make the function name as getAddedValue. Let's save and move to the TypeScript file. Here we will define the function getAddedValue. We will make it simple, just by returning the value of 1 plus 1. Now we will save the file. Let's see the results in the browser. Now you can see that two values are added and the result 2 is getting displayed here. So far we have seen the interpolation, which are part of component. We will do some more operations with the string and understand how normal JavaScript functions work. We will define a variable in component. Let's keep it as welcome string. And the value as welcome to Angular tutorial by whitegators.com. Let's add the newly created added string variable in template. Let's remove the old contents and we will make the changes to understand the JavaScript functions. Create div contents. Add div tag and double curly braces. Within the curly braces, mention the string function we are going to define. Let's call a string length function, to find the index of the character function, and then, to display the text in uppercase, and in lowercase. Let's save and take a look at the browser. We could see the values are displaying. Length of the string is 46, index of character R is 17. Variable value is getting displayed in uppercase, and in lowercase. So now we understood how the Angular interpolation works, and along with it we learned how to use JavaScript functions within templates. Finally, as we told, few JavaScript expressions cannot be used. First one is assigning a variable value. In template, we cannot do assignments. We cannot use operators such as new, type of, instance of, etc. We cannot do chaining of expression using semicolon or comma. We cannot do increment or disment operations. Bitwise operations are not available in template expressions. So that's all in this section. We will see Angular binding in the next section.